Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Voyager Focus 2 headset. First, ensure your headset is fully charged using the included USB cable. Next, power it on and activate Bluetooth pairing mode. You'll then connect it to your desired device, like your phone or computer. For advanced settings, download the Poly Lens application. This initial setup ensures you get the best experience right away. Let's explore the physical controls on your headset. The power and pairing switch is typically on one ear cup. You'll find distinct buttons for adjusting the volume up or down. A crucial mute button is conveniently located on the microphone boom. Additionally, the active noise cancellation, or ANC, switch allows you to manage environmental sounds effectively. Unlock the full potential of your headset with the Poly Lens application. This software allows you to personalize various settings, such as adjusting the side tone so you can hear your own voice during calls. You can also enable or disable smart sensors, which automatically pause audio when you remove the headset. Regularly updating the firmware ensures you have the latest features and improvements. To maintain optimal performance, always keep your Voyager Focus 2 headset charged. If you encounter connection issues, first confirm that Bluetooth is active on your paired device. A simple restart of both your headset and the connected device can often resolve minor glitches. Remember to clean the ear cushions periodically to ensure comfort and hygiene for long-term use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.